Here I have TOSCIDO M863, and today I'm going to show you how to reset network settings on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the system section, then go to the advanced, reset options, and select reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Then select reset settings, and then once again, and after that all of the network settings will be reset. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.